Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, July 30, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, July 30, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, July 30, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, July 30, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 11.5 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 17 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 60 million pesos for July 30, 2024, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, July 30, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.